The administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is making it clear that no one, not even high-profile and influential figures like businessman Charlie Atong Ang, is above the law. Reports that Ang may be hiding in Cambodia, possibly using a fake passport and leaning on foreign contacts, have put authorities on high alert. He is implicated in multiple cases involving missing cockfighters, a serious web of criminal allegations. PALS officials say that under Marcos Jr.'s watch, the government is keeping a close eye on such cases, ensuring that those who commit heinous crimes face the music, regardless of their status.
Unang-una po dito pa lamang sa atin sa Pilipinas, sa panahon po ni Pangulong Marcos Jr., hindi po nakaligtas itong issue tungkol sa missing sabongeros. Pinatutukan po yan at nung panahon po ni DOJ Secretary Boyeng Rimulya, hindi po ito pinakawalan. So kung ito po nangyayari ngayon, na isang malaking tao ay nasasangkot sa ganitong klaseng karumal-dumal na krimen, hindi po pababayaan ng gobyerno na hindi managot ang mga taong dapat na managot sa hustisya.